Greetings, YouTube. It's been a long, horrible weekend here in South Carolina. Big storm and hurricanes knocking down trees, knocking down limbs, knocking out Wi-Fi, knocking out the internet, making life miserable. So I'm out this morning with the cool dog, and she's surveying the damage. She's checking out the bushes, she's checking out the trees. She thought she saw a shadow person hiding in the woods a while ago. Started barking. So if you guys see anything, be sure to let that cool dog know in the comments below. It might be something creeping around out there. I thought I saw something move. Cool dog's intent on that spot, and I can almost see an outline of something. I think Cool Dog's getting to the part that she's ready to be done with it. Hopefully one day in the near future the Wi-Fi will come back on and I'll actually be able to put up a video or two. That's not the way it's been going this week. As of the filming of this video, Sunday morning around 11:30, no power, no internet. They're supposed to be working on it. We will see what happens today. As always, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for that cool dog. Be sure to let me know if you saw anything creeping around in them bushes out there. Come on, cool dog. And we're going to call it a wrap for today. Till next time, log over, dudes. Come on, son.